Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily change the password on your Gmail account. Whether you want to strengthen your account's security or you simply forgot your old password, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. No complications or unnecessary steps, just practical tips to help you protect your data and continue using Gmail without worries. Let's get started. First, find and open your Gmail app. Once you're in it, you'll see a small profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and in the menu that appears, if you have multiple accounts, select the one where you want to change the password. Then, tap on the Manage Your Account button. When you're on your account settings page, you need to find the Security option. So, swipe left in the top menu until you find Security, then tap on it. Once you're on the Security settings page, scroll down a bit to the section called How You Sign into Google. There, find the Password option and tap on it. After that, you'll first need to enter your current password in the field provided. Once you do that, tap Next. Next, in the New Password field, enter your new password. Immediately below, in the Confirm New Password field, enter the new password again to confirm it. When you've done that, tap the Change Password button. And that's it. Afterwards, you'll receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. I recommend signing back into all devices and apps where you use Gmail to ensure your new password is active. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.